So on a whim, I decided to use the aerosol. Originally, I was just going to use the aerosol to fill in the deeper gaps that you see there. You can't reach it with a brush. So aerosol spray works really good. I use this stuff here. Don't need to stop rust, but we got a really cool hammered look. And I taped the inside of this door. I'm gonna, I think, make these doors thicker. I gotta paint the other side, clean them up a bit, detach them. They're still kind of in there. I'm gonna cut them out and then put hinges in to get the idea here. Some of the overspray I'll go ahead and touch up later. I've got some of the wall paint and ceiling paint. Like I said, I did it on a whim, so I didn't prep. I didn't even wear a mask. The dust mask would be preferable when doing this because it gets in your nose and stinks. And the window's open, so airing it out. It's pretty much aired out by now. There you have it. Just a few more details yet. All I gotta do is detach the doors, put some hinges in, and up here, Mom suggested we have a little leaf party to make this look like not a dead tree, but a living tree. And there's the rest of the room to match the decor. There you have it.